So guys, it is another day to trade crypto arbitrage trading, and we are buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So that is the definition of arbitrage trading. And today we are still on our challenge, 100 USDTs to 1,000. For those who have been following, you know where we started, and today is day 4. We should hit 1,000 USDTs. So make sure you click the link in my bio, join Telegram for free classes, and if you comment crypto arbitrage trading, you might get free funding and also free classes. So let's get to it. We have our 664 in our Binance. We'll make a trade and make a withdrawal to confirm that our exchange, that is our decentralized exchange, is legit. So just go to your browser, search ranquilly.com. Then if you have an account, you sign in. If you don't have an account, click on get started. Then you'll come here. Make sure your email and KYC is verified. It takes around 5 minutes to verify your account. Then we start buying low and selling high, which we call it crypto arbitrage trading. So someone might ask, what is the best capital to start with? Make sure you start with at least 200 USDTs. You can see I have 339 USDTs in my Ranquilly. So I'll make a withdrawal. This is just for tutorial, so I'll make 100 USDTs withdrawal after profit. So let's get to our real deal. That is P2P arbitrage trading. So we are buying low here on a P2P in Binance with the rate of 1.0. Then we sell our assets at a higher price in Ranquilly at a rate of let's see today which rate we'll sell. We can sell even with this rate of 1.48. So let's see with 100 USDTs what we'll get. And trading crypto arbitrage trading will get 148. So 48 is our take profits. If we trade with the 200, we'll get 296, where 96 is our take profit. If we trade with 300, we'll get 444, where 144 is our take profit. So that means the higher the capital, the more the profits. And you can receive in an external wallet, that is Binance Bybit. So the profits are sent there direct, but today I want us to receive in our internal wallet. So we'll trade with this 300 USDTs and target at least 144 USDTs in profit. So I'll enter internal wallet, and we should also check the minimum, which this one is 70. This merchant, his minimum is 70. Then you paste your Ranquilly address. By now you know how to copy your Ranquilly address. It is just your deposit address. So there is something called P2P fee, which is 8.88, and that being deducted from our arbitrage trade will get 435 USDTs in profits. So I review, and everything is okay. You just confirm here, and make sure this escrow is green so that you don't lose your funds. Then I confirm, and we wait for around 30 minutes for our trade to be paid. But if the merchant is online, we can be paid in a short while. So let's make a withdrawal. So many people are concerned in withdrawal. That's why I don't make a deposit. But from next week, we'll be making full tutorials. That is, we make a deposit, then we make profits, and we withdraw. So I'll go on assets to copy my Binance address. I click on deposit. Then I choose the cryptocurrency, that is USDT. Then I choose the network, TRC20, and I copy the address. I'll go to my Ranquilly, where I want to now to withdraw to my Binance account. I click on withdraw, choose the cryptocurrency that I want to withdraw, that is USDT. Then network is TRC20, and from spot wallet, I can choose spot or funding wallet because all are funded. So I will withdraw. I'll paste my address first here for Binance. Then I enter the amount. Let's withdraw 100 USDTs today, because people might think that I do crop the videos, because I've been withdrawing 50 USDTs all along, and review, then confirm. Then we'll wait for some 2 to 15 minutes also after they send our funds to our Binance, I will let you know. So let me pause the video, this video for now, then we check how it will go. So guys, I'm told my withdrawal has been approved and profit sent to my Binance. You can check the time. Let's go to Binance and confirm that with you. You can see now I have 764. So for our arbitrage challenge, we are remaining with 246 USDTs to hit 1,000 USDTs. So our challenge will be over today. Then we will start another challenge, of which you shouldn't miss. So I wanted to confirm to you that withdrawal works anytime. So let's go to our P2P arbitrage and see if we've been paid. Then we release. Let's check. Yeah, if you see this green button, I told you your funds have been released, and you should release for the funds to be checked in your Tranquility account, because there is something called escrow. All the funds are held there until you release assets to wallet. So assets have been released. We go check our trade. Let's go home. Then we click on transaction history and check all the trades. That is the withdrawal and P2P. Let me refresh. I think the blockchain is still completing or completed. So the withdrawal is here. You can check the time and date. It is today. My local time is there 2032. Here it is then 23. Approved. That is the withdrawal, and P2P fee is here. P2P trading arbitrage is here for 35 in profits with just a capital of what you saw it. So that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading. Make sure you don't miss any of my videos. Like, follow, and share.